One of the things we can do to protect our family from viruses is to sterilize the things brought from outside. And choosing the right device for sterilization is crucial. I found this product from Aller that uses cold plasma technology to effectively sterilize the air we breathe indoors and the things we use every day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bam of Adobo Tech, and in this video, I will show you a product that can help you clean the air around you. But before I start, please do subscribe on my channel. Just hit the subscribe button down below. That means a lot to me. Also, you can visit my website at www.adobotech.net. Okay, so ano nga ba itong Aller Plasma Nano Plus Sterilizer? It's a portable, eco-friendly, energy-efficient, compact sterilizer. At according to the company, meron itong 99.9 certified success rate for eliminating harmful pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and odors. Okay, so from the look of its box, so very compact yung packaging niya with the complete details of the product. So tulad nito, andito yung testing product. 99.9% bacteria removal, viruses, VOCs, and other pathogens. And on this side naman, it gives you an idea on what this Aller Plasma Nano removes and it kills. And on the other side, you have the details kung saan at paano siya gamitin. Of course, at the back ng box is the certification and the product specification. Okay, so meron siyang kasamang manual. This is a very important piece of paper, so make sure you read yung content nito. Ito na yung Aller Plasma Nano Sterilizer device. So, it's very compact. Nice design. So, meron din siyang kasamang micro USB cable for charging. Ito naman ay washable silicone gel na pwedeng gamitin para ipatong dito yung sterilizer. Itong Plasma Nano Sterilizer comes in really compact size. So parang kasing size lang siya nitong hawak kong smartphone. So it's very compact. Yung build quality niya, it looks nice. So this one looks solid material, yung solid plastic material yung gamit nila. At the bottom, you have yung rubber mat, which is nice to keep it steady pag nakalagay siya sa table. Meron din siyang small holes dito na pwedeng masilip yung laman ng internals nitong device. And on this side, nandito yung micro USB port for charging itong sterilizer. Dito sa harap, meron siyang nag-iisang multi-function button at meron din itong colored LED light. Before I show you kung paano gamitin itong Aller Plasma Nano Sterilizer, let me tell you kung ano yung capabilities nitong device na ito. So according to the company, meron itong cold plasma technology. Ano nga ba ito? Yung definition ng Aller is it uses the latest nano-ceramic dielectric barrier discharge material with catalytic coating nano-titanium dioxide to artificially produce plasma. Now that's really mouthful. It uses patented filter-free, super low energy cold plasma ion tube technology to produce plasma ion. Well, that's really technical. So in layman terms, it uses an unstable mixture of negative ions and positive ions to neutralize and eliminate harmful toxins in the air by breaking down their molecular structure that can efficiently and effectively sterilize the air we breathe indoors and the things we use every day. Kung hindi mo pa rin gaanong mag-get, isipin mo na lang, yung NanoPlus is proven in tests to be 99.9% successful in eliminating pathogens such as harmful bacteria and viruses in the air and surfaces. Itong NanoPlus also removes harmful odors. Okay, so according to the manual, itong device na to is kailangang i-charge muna ng 5 hours bago gamitin. So once you take it out of the box, you need to charge it for 5 hours. Since wala siyang kasamang charger, pwede naman gamitin yung charger ng smartphone na gamit mo rin. So after the initial charging, it only takes about 2 hours to fully charge yung battery. At pwede na siyang gamitin ng up to 3 hours. Okay, dito sa manual, andito yung QR kung saan pwede mo i-scan para ma-access yung warranty. Andito rin yung pwede mo rin i-scan yung QR code for latest news and information. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung paano gamitin itong sterilizer. So all you have to do is scan yung QR code and it will lead you to the information about this device. To power on, press lang itong button na to for about 3 seconds at iilaw na siya. And that's it. Pag green yung light, ibig sabihin ay naka-eco mode itong device na to. So it's an ideal. So ideal siya na gamitin sa loob ng kotse. So pag green yung light, ibig sabihin itong sterilizer na to ay naka-eco mode. So ibig sabihin, ideal siya gamitin sa loob ng kotse. Pag red light naman, ibig sabihin nun, naka-enhance mode itong sterilizer. So pwede siyang gamitin sa loob ng room up to 30 cubic meter or sa loob ng storage box para ma-disinfect yung mga items. So kung magpapalit ka ng mode, so just press lang and it will change yung mode instantly. So, paano nga ba gamitin itong Aller Plasma Nano Sterilizer? Okay. Pag mag-sterilize ka ng mga gamit sa loob ng storage box, it takes at least 15 to 30 minutes using yung red light. Pag gagamitin mo naman siya sa loob ng room, it takes about 1 to 2 hours para ma-sterilize at ma-improve ang air quality using pa rin yung enhanced mode o yung red light. Pwede siyang gamitin kahit merong tao sa loob ng room since yung plasma ion ay safe para sa tao at sa mga animals. Sa loob ng kotse naman, pwede ka mag-sterilize ng 30 minutes using the green mode o yung eco mode. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali gamitin. Tulad ngayon, nasa pandemic tayo, itong device na to is very useful. Kung magdadala ka ng mga gamit bago mo ipasok siya sa loob ng bahay, you could use itong sterilizer device na to to clean muna, ilagay siya sa isang sterilizer box kasama ng mga gamit at itong device na to. Leave it for around 30 minutes para sure na clean na lahat ng gamit mo. At kung gusto mo naman malinis yung air around or inside the room, you could use syempre yung enhanced mode nitong device na to clean the air inside the room. There are things you need to remember in using itong sterilizer device. So, according to the company, hindi ito pwedeng gamitin ng straight 5 hours. This is to avoid a short circuit at huwag din iwan ito sa extreme heat. Tulad ngayon, summer, so make sure hindi mo siya ilalagay sa direct sunlight. Siyempre, yung sterilizer box mo dapat nasa medyo lilim din na lugar. Hindi mo rin pwedeng ilagay itong device na to sa highly corrosive materials to avoid fire. At para din tumagal ang battery life, avoid frequently draining yung battery nitong sterilizer device. So kung naghahanap ka ng magandang product na pang-sterilize, na merong compact size, safe gamitin, merong rechargeable battery at maintenance-free, itong Aller Plasma Nano Sterilizer is a good device that could protect you and your loved ones at home against bacteria, viruses, and odors. Again, this is Bam, Obadobotech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.